India is a federal union comprising 29 states and how many union territories? Answer 7. Which crops is sown on the larger area in India? Answer rice. Entomology is the science that studies. Answer insects. Grand Central Terminal Park Avenue, New York is the world's. Answer largest railway station. Galileo was an astronomer who. Answer discovered four satellites of Jupiter. Corey Anderson, who has hit the fastest ODI century in 36 balls, is from. Answer New Zealand. Who among the following were contemporaries of Kanishka? Answer Nagarjuna, Aswagoswa, Vasumitra. The world's smallest country is. Vatican City. Novak Djokovic is a famous player associated with the game of. Answer lawn tennis. Area of which of the following current state did not come under control of Vijayanagar Imperial Krishna Deva Rai? Answer Maharashtra. Which one of the following was the front constructed by the British in India? Fort St. George. Which country below is not one of the members of the UN Security Council January 2003? Answer Germany. What is the second largest country in size in the world? Answer Canada. Which language is spoken in Karnataka? Answer Kannada. Ball pen function on which one of the following principle? Answer surface tension. The state which has the largest number of the sugar mills in India is answer Uttar Pradesh. The currency notes are printed in answer Nasik. Which of the following countries is not a part of Melanesia region in the Pacific Ocean? Answer Kiribati. Which country has recently joined Eurozone as the 18th member? Answer Latvia. The Indians who holds the pride of beating the computer in mathematical wizard is answer Shakuntala Devi. For which of the following discipline is Nobel Prize awarded? Answer all of the above. What is the world most common religion? Answer Christianity. Durand Cup is associated with the game of answer football. The common element of knife NIFE layer of the earth include answer nickel and iron. Who was the Prime Minister of India when the 42 and Amendment Bill bringing in the changes in the Constitution was passed? Answer Indira Gandhi. Subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon. Thank you.